Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to shock a saltwater pool? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps of shocking a saltwater pool. So this is part of our pool series. If you appreciate this video and want some tips and tricks on pool maintenance and just general how-to, go to the bottom right, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate the likes and comments, any questions you got, and also just those subscribes will pop up all the future pool videos. So here we have a large 35,000 gallon saltwater pool, and a lot of people wonder, how do you shock a saltwater pool? As you know, saltwater pools don't have chlorine added traditionally. They typically just have the chlorine gas that's created by the saltwater. So in a nutshell, shocking a saltwater pool is pretty much the same thing as shocking a regular chlorine conventional pool. So on a conventional pool, you're going to shock it about once every week or so. With the saltwater pools, you don't have to do it as often. Usually on the control panel, there's a thing called superchlorinate. And superchlorinate is a setting to where your salt cell is going to run and generate chlorine gas nonstop. So if you get heavy rain or something else, you can turn that on and that will shock your saltwater pool. However, it's not going to be as strong as using a powder shock. So if you purchase a powder shock, you read the instructions on the dosage, how many gallons it's for, how to apply it. But generally speaking, what this is going to do is this is going to kill bacteria, algae. It's going to superchlorinate the pool. It's going to help to clarify the water and make it crystal clear and everything else. So if you have a big party like we just had last night and you want to go ahead and clean it up because it's gotten some cloudy or a lot of people in it, good time to shock it even if you have a saltwater pool. But read the instructions. This pack is 1 pound, treats 13,500 gallons, 13.5 thousand gallons. So if we did 3 of these, it would be a little more than what we actually need, but you can go over a little bit. It's really not the end of the world. Once you do apply the shock, you don't want to go swimming in it right away. It's best to apply shock in the evening with the filter running. So let the filter run and circulate it, but do it in evening time. That way the sun doesn't have any loss of the shock. So you're going to open it up. This one in particular is an HTH pool shock. I really like this one. I believe it says a 4-in-1, meaning it does 4 different things, but you know, you can get 7-in-1 or this or that, whether they're clarifying the water and superchlorinating all that. Shock. I mean, it all works. So, but I do like this product. So basically, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to drizzle it in deep spots over the pool surface. And it's best to go into the deeper water and broadcast it. Keep it away from you. And if it gets settled up anywhere, you may want to go ahead and brush it just so it does not, bleach your marshite at all. It really isn't likely to do that, but that's the instructions on it. I've never had a problem with it bleaching, although I have a light on marshite, but if you want to do that. Also, if you have any sports with algae, you can concentrate on that a little more. And that's about it. Just sprinkle it around, make sure you do the right dose, and that is how you shock a saltwater pool. Same as shocking a conventional pool. Just remember that you don't need to do it probably every week. You can probably do it every month or so. It just depends on how it's working for you with rain and parties and everything else. Again, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to Pool Series. And remember, all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.